This is another kind of noise now. Golden Terracotta. AGT.
Make some noise for Abby!
We brought together some of the greatest AGT acts of all time.
Why is it America's Got Talent? Why is it? Line game song. Amazon ice cream song in the night over. AGT. We am needing him. I am says like the superstar photo na me. AGT, America's Got Talent. Sida nam gera. Nam mag lau 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 da pikana de. Oh. Oi, moi se da Golden Bazaar ka na lai kano se koi jo. Ahan gi juice. Tumlo se Roseria. Snap. Angang ay na poncha ni hai. Koi joren kan tong hai bro. Golden Bazaar tong hai bro. Koi da. Stage se kan nam muzra ba. An pura ko mar pura je sang do. Golden Bazaar.
Get out of the way! Make some noise! I don't know what's happening right now. Make some noise for Abby!
When is it?
N789
Give it up! Oh, she's not done. All right, give it up!
Live. Tonight, we brought together some of the greatest AGT acts of all time. People whose lives for you changed forever. But your job isn't over yet. I need you to scream. I need you to shout. I need you to jump out of your seats and get behind your absolute favourites. Don't forget, anything goes, but there are two no-nos. No flash photography and no smoking. Now, from the entertainment capital of the world, this is America's Got Talent Live. Enjoy.
Announcement amta tawjage karigumba aigi subscriber viewers sing amasung aigi followers singi maraktagi eyelashes extension gi tamningba amasung training tongningba yauragadi Ken Salam hariba sigi Instagram gi page asida follow tawbiro aduga mangonda contact tawbiyu magi anoba promotion ama huzik tawani training gi lagliba April gi tang 22 2024 asi sidagi mana training ama mana offer ama tawraga training ama hodore training asi 7 days khatagini numitare ni khatagini aduga fees na sumtagi lising ani khatani 2000 rupees only 2000 rupees aduna sigi khudong chaba si mayamna soidana maki lobby ho ado cancel amasi Mumbai gi renowned Bonbella hariba institute se asdagi ma certified oiraba eyelashes ki extension gi technician amani aduga training tawdoba mafam asina Sagolban Moirang lerak aduga magi yamna nungai bagi magi yam thaganingai oibasina relief camp ta leiba singna tamningba oiragadi magi admission fee 2000 se ma lauzeroi aduduna sigi makhada piriba number amasung magi insta gi page asida mayamna follow tawbiraga khudong chaba je soidin lobby ho please go and grab it.
This is the show I've always dreamt of doing. It's the best of the best. You're a total star. You're absolutely
AGT champions. You're gonna see AGT all-stars. You're gonna see some of the best acts that have been on the show over the course of the last 18 years on this stage tonight. You know how broke it is to watch white people throw sandbags? That's some sneaky stuff, white people. You found out how to get on ESPN with no athleticism. Real method tonight. Thank you. A lot of older moms here. That's my jam. Yeah. I like that wear and tear from life. That's it.
Biggest fan. I've been singing my whole life, and she knew how important it was to me, and she encouraged that. In school, I was bullied for being overweight. I was bullied for being gay. I was bullied for, wanting to be a singer. So I had a really. You were here before. Couldn't look you in the eye. You looked like an angel. Your skin
Thamoi, betul tak?
Only have this one.
Okay.
What the hell am I doing here? I don't belong here. I don't care if it hurts.
might recognize them. I mean, they perform all around the world, so let us make some noise for the silhouettes.
Silhouettes. That's all human beings.
How did you do that?
They did it behind the screen.
What is that? It's a tree. How are they doing that?
With the shadow.
I close my eyes
A penguin.
through the dark, through the door,
Penguin.
through where no one's been before, but it feels like home.
How did they do this? I heard this happen.
They can say it all day. I think of what the world could be, watching out for what I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make.
They're getting married.
These colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. Think of what the world could be, watching out for what I see today. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make.
Here we go, the silhouette! You guys, let's make some noise for Celia Munoz! Nice shoes!
Thank you.
So Celia, talk to the people. Like, how did you get into ventriloquism?
Well, it was in my grandmother's. Your eyes, let the melody carry my with kind. You can soar across the river sky.
Mayas, parang ka mag-sing.
I believe in miracles.
It's not.
Hoy, hoy, yan.
I believe the Lord will conquer all. I believe that anything but stars is Manolo. I can turn out in Las Vegas.
Judges are backstage, and that's what we're looking for now. We're looking for replacements so we can make sure the camera lighting is right. So I just need a volunteer to help me get
I want to get wet.
Si moi ising kang tao rin dapi. Moi masang kapsan na bimiyaw do. Hoy, hoy, kano dati ising ka kapay ni.
hello. That was fun. So, my name is Mervant. Some of you guys saw me on season 17. And here we are. I guess it worked out. Here we are in Las Vegas. Yeah. I'd like to help us all out with a little experiment. Yes. And she's going to love it. Give her a round. Come on up. Yeah. Give her stuff. Give you her stuff. Take it. And give her a round of applause. Come on down. All right.
Bolin teko thoroni lo le ni.
Isi na naga toy no lo le na. Bolin tera ko ne lo le ro. Sanau zami I pasal yaw le sham I inte yaw tre ba. Ha le sham I ori stage ka khala ga ton ni stage ka khala nge le re je.
This one's for you, and you can tell everything. I've forgotten if they're green or they're blue. Anyway, the thing is, what I really mean. Yours are the sweetest eyes I've ever seen. Can't stop